Lately been too high, laying low, and I think it's starting to show. But that's how I know, down to a few. Roll up my last student, double right back to the stove. So many habits and so many vices, but living my life so good on advice. Come over, she know it's on sight. Now she wanna stay for the night. Baby girl, attitude don't fit you, you better off being polite. Now she wanna go get the knife. Blowing my high when I'm high as a kite. Swear I don't be needing this shit in my life. Put that on my mama, I only want comments, the drama I don't need. Said it, I've been and see right through the gimmick, so into the bush that I won't feed. Too focused, you know it, the code is that wrote it, but heating up, talking 90 degrees. Planting the seeds so for sure to succeed if I told you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look, how I do my signature twist out. If you are interested, keep watching. Alright, last piece, get a glob. And
look at where we ended up, gotta say truly it's a shame. But nobody else to blame, cause we played along with the games. Did your dirt, and I did mine, thinking that we be just fine. The signs are right there.
flat twist it all the way to the end, and then it turns into a 2-strand twist. Then I Bantu knot the ends. I recently just started Bantu knotting my ends because my hair is way shorter than it used to be, and I haven't really liked how my twist out were turning out, so I tried Bantu knotting the end, and I like the results. Just 2-strand twisted. That boy is juicy. Anyways, so flat twist into a 2-strand, wrap it around, just wrap it around itself. And once again, none of this has to be neat. You will still get a nice curl pattern when all is said and done. Alright, so I'm finished. Now, normally when I take my twist out, I use some form of oil to put on my hands and my hair. So I am using the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. Extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. I just like it. It smells really good. But this is my go-to. Honestly, any of the OGX oils.
Knew it was lies when that bullshit we said we was through it. Foolish with myself, I'm thinking what to do with. Results were inconclusive. It's like you're trying to school the teacher, but you was the student. Slick but always slipping. No wonder you always tripping. And be so quick to judge but caught in blatant contradictions. No longer in the mood. Every day it's a few. Slowly losing you. See the grip had loosened true. Can no longer hold on to what we had in the beginning. Came a long way from back then. Now it's safe to say that we finished. So much was left unsaid, and I won't even bother to mention. What's the point, cause you never listen. Not even when I used to send the messages. Ignore calls and messages, that's usually how it starts. Thought it was love from the heart, now we slowly drifting apart. Cause you can't support a vision when you...
Alright, so here is the end result. This is how I do my twist outs. It's my go-to style now. So if you did like the video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments below and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.
Say you do, nigga, please. I got the keys for the locked door. This shit gon' be my nigga, not yours. On my way up to the top floor. Steady action for his, well, I got more. How could you doubt fire? Straight from the supplier. No need for the lion. Bitch, I'm a lion. I really be doing this shit. You niggas be trying. Putting this passion on paper. Dedication in these verses. Driven ambition to go with a purpose. I know what I want, so I'm no longer searching. Zay.